Hello guys, and in this video I'll show you how to enable dual camera recording on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let's get started, but first don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So for this we need to open camera first, and right here swipe left to go in More tab. And now we can see many options, but we are gonna choose this dual recording one. So just click it. And now you can record video simultaneously with the front camera and usual camera. But also we can change the front camera, for example, to telephoto. Let's click this square and right here enable telephoto like this and click OK. And now you will be able to see zoom in picture and the regular camera. We can also change the regular camera to another one. So let's just click this square and change this ultra wide to wide, for example, and just click OK, like this. And to start a video, just click this button on the bottom of the screen and then stop the video. You can also save this video in separate files by clicking right here on the top of the screen on this little arrow, or save video as previewed. And now to go back in the usual settings, we just need to click right here on dual recording. And that's it. I hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.